So here 3.5 question number 4 in that first portion. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by an algebraic method. So algebraic method means you can use any substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. Any method you can use. So here a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days he has taken food. See, when a student takes a food for 20 days, that is a student taken food for 20 days. Okay. So in this it has got a fixed charge also along with 20 days charge into rupees per day. This is per day. So we will assume this one. So F, let us assume F as fixed charges, and let us assume X as the charges per day. Okay. So now fixed charges plus 20 days he has taken food. So total along with that he has to pay 1000 rupees. Okay. So this is one equation. So in the same way, student B he has taken for 26 days. Okay. So here also fixed charges plus 26 into X per day charges is equal to 1180. This is second equation. So in this way we have to form the pair of linear equations. So now we will write these two equations separately here. Okay. So here equation number 1, F plus 20x is equal to 1000 and F plus 26x is equal to 1180. So now we will calculate F and this x, that is fixed charges and charges per day, so that we can find out the values. Okay. So now by observing these two equations, the coefficient of this is same. So now we will use elimination method. So elimination method means we have to subtract one equation with the other by changing the sign, minus minus. So F minus F cancel. So 20 minus 26x. 20 minus 26 means minus 6x is equal to minus 180. Okay. X is equal to minus 180 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 3s are 30. Minus minus cancel. So X is equal to 30. Means 30 rupees per day I think. So 30 rupees per day charges. So now X value we will substitute in any of the equation. That is, consider equation F plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. So F is equal to 1000 minus 3 into 2, 600. So F is equal to, this is 400. So fixed charges will be 400 and the charges per day will be 30 rupees. You can verify here. See here. You consider first equation, that is student A, fixed charges will be 400 rupees and 20 days he has taken food, per day is 30 rupees. You calculate this one. So 2 into 3, 60. 2 into 3, 6. So 400 plus 600. So this is become 1000. So this 1000 is equal to this 1000. Okay. In this way, this problem can be solved. So here, exercise 3.5, question number 4 in that second portion. So here also form the pair of linear equation in the following problems. So here a fraction becomes 1 by 3. It will become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So there is a one fraction like x divided by y. There is a one fraction. So we will assume this fraction as x by y. So it will become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. That is, numerator is x. Here 1 we have to subtract. Okay. When 1 is subtracted from the numerator, it will become 1 by 3. It will become 1 by 4. That is, this will become 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. When 8 is added to its denominator. That is like this. So these two are the equations. So these equations we will write, that is cross multiplication x minus 1 into 3 is equal to y. So 3x minus 3 minus y equal to 0. That is 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is one equation. So this equation, this cross multiplication, 4x is equal to y plus 8. So 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is second equation. Okay, this is first equation, this is second equation. So any algebraic method means we can use, see here, 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. So here these two equations can be subtracted. See here, y coefficient both are same. So here minus plus plus. So this gets cancelled. 3x minus 4x will be minus x. And here minus 3 plus 8, this is plus 5 equal to 0. Or minus x equal to minus 5. That is x is equal to 5. And now this x is equal to 5 we can substitute in any equation. That is 3 into 5 minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So 5 3 is 15. 15 minus 3, 12. So minus 5 plus 12 equal to 0. So y is equal to plus 12. Okay, this one. So x is 5, y is 12. Hence the fraction will be x divided by y, means 5 divided by 12. This is the fraction. Because you can verify here. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted. Here when you subtract 1 from the numerator, so this will become 4 by 12. So 4 1s are 4 3s are. So it will become 1 by 3. So this is okay. And here it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added. When you add 8 to the denominator, that is 5 divided by 20, then it will become 5 1s are 5 4s are. So this will become 1 by 4. This will become 1 by 4. So the solution is correct. Okay. So now here 3.5 question number 4. So Yash has scored 40 marks in a test. So he has scored 40 marks. Okay. So getting 3 marks for right answers and 1 mark deducted for a wrong answer. Okay. See here, 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Okay. So if such is the case, he will get 40 marks. And if he had 4 marks being awarded for each correct answers, that is 4 marks for correct answers, and 2 marks have been deducted for each incorrect answers, that is 2 marks deducted for incorrect answer. This is negative marking. So then Ash would have got that the marks will be equal to 50. So these are the two scenarios. Okay. Now we have to calculate how many questions were there in the test. That is how many right questions, how many wrong. That is total questions he is asking. That is separately he has not asked how many right and how many wrong. So we have to calculate total number of questions present. Okay. So now for such type of questions, we have to assume these two cases are there, means, so here let number of correct answers that H has scored is equal to X numbers. That is number of correct answers, and number of incorrect answers that H scored is equal to Y numbers. Okay. So here this is X and this is Y. X for correct answers, Y for wrong answers. So now we will write equations. That is, so 3 marks will be given for each correct answer. That is 3 into X, and 1 mark will be deducted for wrong answer. So total score will be 40. This is one equation. Okay. See, number of correct answers into marks is equal to total score. So minus number of incorrect answers into marks is equal to, it will be total negatives. So total equal to total marks scored. In the same way, second scenario also we can write 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. This is second equation. Okay. Now here you can solve this x and y value, and whatever x and y value you will get, so they are right answers and wrong answers. He has asked total. So x plus y you can make. So this is total number of questions. Here for making this one, we can solve it by algebraic method, or that is graphical method. So here he has asked only algebraic method, means you can use substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method. So now we will see, we will use elimination method. So for elimination method, any one of the coefficient must be same. So here minus 2 is there, here minus 1 is there. So 3 is there, 4 is there. So we will make this y as 2. So this equation will be multiplied with 2, this whole equation. So 2 into 3 will be 6x minus 2y is equal to 2 into 40 means 80. Okay. So here I will write as it is, 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. So subtract the equations. So minus plus minus. So here minus 2y plus 2y cancel. 6x minus 4x will be 2x is equal to 18 minus 50 equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2 15s are. So x is equal to 15. Number of correct answers are 15. So now we will substitute x value in any one of the equation, this equation. So 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40. So 15 3 is 45. 45 minus y is equal to 40. So here y is equal to 45 minus 40. So y is equal to 5. So these are the wrong answers. So these are the correct answers, these are the wrong answers. So total questions means 15 plus 5. That is 15 plus 5. So here is equal to 20. So total number of questions present are 20. Okay, we'll go for next one. Here there are two places, A and B. That is A point is here and B point is here. They are at a distance of 100 kilometer. Okay, so from this to this is 100 kilometer. Okay, so here one car starts from A point, one car starts from B point. Okay, so here suppose this car speed is x kilometer per second and this car speed is y kilometer per second. Okay, that we don't know, that only we have to find out. So here if they are starting at the same time and in the same direction, means like this, so then they are going to meet at point, one more point at C called as C point. So at this point means at after 5 hours, after 5 hours they are going to meet. Okay, so here let this distance be m. For this situation we will write the linear equation and after that we will go for this second case, that is if the cars are starting in the reverse directions and they are going to meet in 1 hour. So first this situation, let the speed of car starts at A point. Let the speed of car starting at point A will be x kilometer per second, and let the speed of car starts from B point will be y kilometer per second. Okay, because they are at a different speed and in the same direction means both cars are meeting at this point means, so A car will travel 100 kilometer plus m kilometer and B car will starts from this direction, same direction, and it is covered m distance, m kilometers. Okay, so and the distance at which they meet will be m kilometer from point B, from B. Okay, from this to this m kilometer. So now we know that the speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so the speed we don't know, distance we know, time also we know. So now we will see the speed of car A. So here x is equal to distance, how much distance it is covered, 100 kilometer plus m kilometer. So time how much it is taken, 5 hours. So this is one equation. So one more thing is this car, that is y is equal to this speed of this car starts from B is equal to how much this m kilometer is, it has traveled, and 5 hours. M is equal to 5y. Okay, this is m is equal to 5y. So now this we will substitute in this equation. Okay, x is equal to 100 plus m divided by 5. So here x is equal to 100 plus m means 5y. 5y is equal to divided by 5. Cross multiplication, 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Divide whole equation by 5. So then x minus y is equal to 20. Okay, this is one of the equation. One equation we have derived. So this is the first situation. Okay, so now we will analyze second situation. Okay, so here second situation, same point A, the car. So here the point B is there. Here the car starts x kilometer per second and this B car starts y kilometer per second. So here in this direction and here in this direction, and both they are going to meet at this point. Let us call it as C, and this has traveled m distance and the total distance will be 100 kilometers. Okay. Okay. Now x is equal to that is speed is equal to distance by time. How much distance it has traveled? Total 100 minus this one, m. 100 minus m divided by 1 hour. So one more situation, this y is equal to m divided by 1. Okay. So now here y is equal to m only. And here substitute this value, that is y m value, in this equation. So x is equal to 100 minus y. Okay. And now this can be written as x plus y is equal to 100. So this is second equation. So this is first equation and this is second equation. So now that is x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. These two equations we will take. So here x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. So we will use elimination method, that is subtraction, like this. Okay. X gets cancelled. Minus y means minus 2y is equal to minus 80. So here y is equal to minus 80 divided by minus 2. So here y is equal to minus gets cancelled, 2 ones are 240. So y is equal to 40. So this is y. So the speed of this one, and we will substitute this value in any one of the equation. That is x minus y is equal to 20. So x minus 40 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 40 plus 20. So x is equal to 60. So this is the speed of car starts from A, and this is the speed of car starts from B. That is, speeds are x is equal to 60 km per second, 60 km per hour, and y is equal to 40 km per hour, because this we have taken in hour only. That is 195 we have taken hours level. So here exercise 3.5 in that question number 4, in this fifth one, the area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Here, okay, this is a rectangle. So this area is reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units. So this is length and this is breadth. Okay, and the breadth is increased by 3 units. So here, as per the problem, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit. That is, area minus 9 square unit is equal to, if this will be happens when its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay, because area we know that is equal to L into B. So if it is the case, the area will be reduced by 9 square unit if length is decreased by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Okay, so this one we will solve here first. So area minus 9 is equal to L into B multiplication plus 3L minus 5B minus 5 3s are 15. So here area minus 9 is equal to, see, L into B is nothing but what? Area plus 3L minus 5B minus 15 as it is. So this area gets cancelled. 3L minus 5B minus 15, so plus 9 equal to 0. So 3L minus 5B minus, so here 6 equal to 0. This is one equation. Okay, now next, second case, if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area will be increased by 67. So area will be increased by 67. Okay, it will be increased by 67. So when it is increased, when we increase length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units. Okay, so here we will solve here. Area plus 67 is equal to L into B multiplication plus 2L plus 3B plus 6. So LB means area, this area cancel. So 67 is equal to 2L plus 3B plus 6. Okay, so here 2L plus 3B plus 6 minus 67 equal to 0. 2L plus 3B minus 61 equal to 0. This is second equation. Okay, see, this is first one, this is second one. So consider these two equations. See here, this is second one, this first one I will write here, minus 5B minus 6 equal to 0. This is first one. Okay, by considering these two equations, okay, we can multiply this equation with 3 and this equation with 2, so that the coefficients of this L will become 6. So then eliminate that portion. So 2L into 3, that is 6L plus 9B minus 183. Okay, so this is equal to 0. So 2 into 3, 6L minus 2 into 5, 10B, okay, minus 12 equal to 0. So here these equations will subtract here, minus, plus, plus. So this gets cancelled. 9B plus 10B means 19B minus 183 plus 12 means 171 equal to 0. So 19B is equal to 171. B is equal to 171 divided by 19. So B is equal to 9. So now substitute in equation 1. So here 3L minus 5 into 9 minus 6 equal to 0. So 3L is equal to 9 5 is 45 plus 6. 3L is equal to 51. L is equal to 51 by 3. Here 3 1s are 3 7s are. So L is equal to 17. So L is equal to 17 and B is equal to 9. So this is the dimension of the rectangle. Find the dimensions. So this is L is equal to 17, B is equal to 9. Okay, thank you.